Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to see the unboxing and review of Boya BY-V1 wireless microphone system for iPhone and iPad. They also have USB-C based microphone system which will have a different model number BY-V10 I think. And they also have a separate two transmitter accessories similar to the Rode or DJI. They have multiple options here. You can choose between them based on your requirement. Here for the testing purposes and to see how it works with the iPhone through the lightning port, I just ordered the basic V1 model which comes with one transmitter, and I'll leave a link to the both models, both lightning and USB-C attached Boya BY models in the description and in the first comment. And from the box packaging you can see the features have been printed clearly at the rear side, and it has the label made for iPhone and iPad, which means it's M5 certified accessory. And in the side you can see how we need to connect the receiver and the transmitter, how we can use it. And let's, without any delay, quickly unbox it. The box packaging is very simple, and once you opened it you will feel that it is not that premium packed and it is kind of feeling cheaper. And it has the basic instruction manual, and most of them are printed kind of in English and Chinese, so it will be easy for us to understand. And it has a warranty card information, and I'm not sure like whether they have service center in India for me, so whether it will be able to possible in case if there is any defect I'll be able to claim any warranty. And the box packaging, you can see that inside it has a plastic casing, and I wish Boya considers cardboard type of boxes something eco-friendly in future, and it will also look a bit more premium than what this plastic internal cutout offers. And this is the transmitter. They also have a silica gel packet to prevent any insects entering inside the box, and they have USB-A to USB-C cable. The USB-C port is one big plus point that you should consider this if you're looking for a cheaper and affordable wireless microphone system for your iPhone, iPad and any Android device that has USB-C port. Boya has a history of creating some good, affordable and cheaper microphone systems for wired and wireless microphone systems for cameras and devices. And here you can see the clip is 360-degree rotatable, and you can use it to clip in your shirt or in any direction that is comfortable with. And the overall build of the microphone in the transmitter and receiver also looks plastic and kind of a cheaper, but for the price we pay like around $35 I paid in India, and in US it will be different price. It may be lesser price during the offer times. Check both the single transmitter and two transmitter models, and sometimes the both of price will be same, so you can choose based on the price you have in budget. And just these three contents are in the packaging, and let's have a quick look at the transmitter a bit more. The sponge at the top already comes fitted in the transmitter, and you can see the plastic knob kind of thing have been covered clearly with a sponge, and I think that this sponge could fell off when we use it outside in a windy situation or in a crowded place, and if we kind of doing a trekking or any vlog during that time, we need to be a bit more careful with the sponge. So my suggestion is like using some simple adhesive like Fevicol and not Fevikwik. It could burn the sponge to make it stick to that area if you're planning not to take it frequently. And let's see how the connectivity works with the receiver. Simply open the camera app. Of course, Boya also provides a separate application for doing the vlog and recording and doing a bit more control with the audio settings, but we will see that next. And before that, just want to show you how easy it is to start using it like a plug and play device. Simply connect the receiver and then pick up the transmitter, click the power button, and immediately it will be paired and ready for you to start using it. Not just the default camera app. If you have any app like Filmic Pro that you normally do the vlog or recording with, you can of course use it, and you can use this microphone for any video calls, FaceTime calls, and so many other audio related requirements can be satisfied with this microphone, and you will get the improved audio quality without any noise being heard by the other end person. So this Boya Sound app is also available in the App Store, and you can see from the screenshot it allows you to record the video, manage it everything inside the app. You can also just record the microphone in case of you are in a lecture or you want to have a small conversation, an interview or professional kind of thing. Then you can straight away start recording the audio from the home screen of this application. Under the top right corner, they have an option to switch between the microphone and the video camera option, where you can start shooting, and you can use the Boya microphone audio to record and keep all the files within this app. If you want it, you can export it to the Files app or Photos app at any time you want. And another important thing is, like, this allows us to customize the audio settings of the Boya wireless microphone that you connected to the iPhone using the Lightning port. Here in the audio settings, you can see that you can adjust the audio parameters like the sample rate and the bit depth and audio format, that if you want the default to be WAV format, you can use it. Otherwise, you can use MP3 format, and you can adjust the sampling rate, heads value, everything. You can also add some audio effects if you feel kind of, the default setting is not enough or sufficient to you, so that you can do some test run and see how it works. So let's quickly see how the recording of iPhone and the Boya mic sounds with and without noise reduction. So it's very bright here. It's around 12 p.m. and I'm recording right now with the built-in microphone of this iPhone 14 Plus, and you can see how much it collects the wind noise and the surrounding noise, the horn sounds and other sounds when I record it with just the microphone with the selfie camera. Of course, the result will be same when I record it with the rear camera also. So just for testing case, I'm showing this, and now I'm going to connect the Boya BY-V1 microphone and the receiver to the iPhone and see how the audio quality is going to be different. Right now the microphone is connected, and I haven't turned on the noise reduction feature. So just to show you how much the surrounding noise it actually collects when it is pinned here. You can see the blue light clearly shows that the noise reduction is not turned on. If I turn on the noise reduction, then it will be in a green light. We can see that I'm going to press the button once, and yes, the green light is now turned on. Now the noise reduction feature is on, and you can see the audio quality difference, how much surrounding noise you are able to hear. So not just for vlog, also for any casual recording with short range distance, it should be working perfectly fine. When we record it in outdoor and when so many walls are in between or in a crowded area, I think there is a possibility for interference, signal interference, and you may see some noise while recording using this Boya mic. And so far, for the price, I think it is quite a decent performer. For my requirement, it is going to be a wonderful choice, and you can decide it based on the price and what your requirement is going to be. So do you see the difference between the default iPhone microphone recording and the Boya without noise cancellation and with noise cancellation? Do share your thoughts in the comment section, and I leave a link to this amazing product in the description under the first comment. Feel free to check them out, and if you're already using the Boya BY-V1 or V10 or 20 microphone system, then do share your thoughts in the comment section. It may be helpful for audiences who want to buy this microphone for their recording purposes. For more iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this review useful, you know what to do. Have a wonderful day.